Donald Trump's transition is picking up steam. As one of his most controversial cabinet picks, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. made his first appearance on Capitol Hill Monday. The president-elect also held his first press conference of the transition at Mar-a-Lago, where he defended Kennedy. Garrett Hake was there.
President-elect Trump's polarizing pick to lead the Department of Health and Human Services, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., returning to Capitol Hill this morning for a marathon day of meetings with senators. Kennedy, the former independent presidential candidate turned Trump supporter and longtime vaccine skeptic, pressed on his views about the polio vaccine as he shuttled between meetings. Kennedy has long touted discredited claims of a link between childhood vaccines and autism, which have been repeatedly debunked, leading to concerns about what his leadership of the federal health agencies could mean.
What do you say to people who are worried that his views on vaccines will translate into policies that will make their kids less safe?
No, I think he's going to be much less radical than you would think. I think he's got a very open mind, or I wouldn't have put him there.
Trump asked later if schools should mandate vaccinations, pivoting to COVID.
I don't like mandates. I was against mandates. Mostly Democrat governors did the mandates.
But school vaccination requirements are set by states, with the federal government providing vaccine approvals, recommendations, and schedules, limiting the direct influence Kennedy or Trump could have. Trump also announcing a $100 billion investment from Japanese technology firm SoftBank, which he says will create 100,000 new American jobs by the end of his term, and remarking on his improving relationship with tech company leaders who have traveled to Mar-a-Lago to meet him.
In the first term, everybody was fighting me. In this term, everybody wants to be my friend. The biggest difference is that people want to get along with me this time.
Still, the president-elect's facing a new legal setback today, with a New York judge who presided over his hush money trial now denying Trump's bid to toss out his guilty verdict. The president-elect's lawyers had argued that verdict should be vacated in light of the Supreme Court's ruling expanding the scope of presidential immunity. The judge has not yet set a sentencing date.